seems as though the effect is here. And this tree here, I just feel like at some point we're gonna see a break in that. Half an inch of water on. Get your contingency plan right. It's completely dark here. Getty. We got some curry chicken. Getting some food in. That's important. Some contact with my family. These are events that kind of make you see how important family is. October the 23rd, 2025. 6 o'clock sharp, and there's a storm on the loose. Am I ready for this? I don't know. Hey, this is crazy because my family is out of town and I'm all alone here by myself in Jamaica, and a storm is on the loose. And right now I'm seeing very hard winds. So right now I know there's something coming. And apparently this storm, Melissa, right? Melissa, she's moving very slow. She's a slow one. So we gotta keep the faith. We gotta keep praying, and we gotta keep hoping that it's not as intense as they're making it to be. But let's keep moving. So as we're seeing right now, gust winds. This is how it normally starts. You don't know when a hurricane is starting or getting ready to hit. And man, look at the skies. Look at the sky. That's no joke. Stay tuned. If I should take these up or leave them there overnight. As I said, today it's the 23rd. I'm gonna review when we're supposed to get hit by this hurricane, or when the impact is gonna start feeling. But right now I'm literally feeling winds. I haven't been in Jamaica in 7 years. Now I'm gonna get a storm the first time I'm back, and that is quite crazy. But as I said, we're gonna take it step by step. I'm definitely gonna have to, my family's not here, they're in Canada. They had to go get some stuff done in Canada, but they'll be back. They should actually be back on Monday, but I'm pretty sure that they may have to cancel their trip because as they're showing, as I was looking at a system here, it was showing that there's some pretty craziness that's gonna happen around those periods. So I don't know if coming in, as I'm looking at my computer right here, and my meteorologist skills gonna trip in right now. I've never seen such a storm, so slow and sloppy in what it's doing right now. But nonetheless, that this is gonna get crazier, a little bit more intense. So we're gonna start seeing those heavy rain, those winds picking up probably tomorrow. Well, as much as all that looks kind of cool to look at, it's kind of cool to look at. I always picture myself as a meteorologist. You know, sometimes it's beautiful out there, but I start to get some stuff ready. So start to get my plants in. I don't know how much hold up we're gonna do, but hopefully we can. How's the baby? Just be good to mommy, eh? Rainy.
You can say that again.
Wow. It's nice.
You're gonna nap after now?
Daddy love you. Exactly the 26th of October, we're about to go into full mode for Hurricane Melissa. Now, I haven't experienced hurricane in several years, so I am still trying to remember all the fundamentals when it comes on to hurricanes. One of them for sure is safety, accurate information. So it is good to kind of lean into information that's resourceful, because a lot of medias add a little bit of drama to the thing more than how it needs to be. But on the scale of today, I think people are starting to really get into their head that this is gonna be a major hurricane. Where they're predicting a category 5 with a wind speed of over 185 miles an hour. I mean, I've never seen something like that. Quite interested to witness, but quite terrifying, because I'm the only one here. My family, luckily they took a trip to Canada to visit family, and now I'm here all by myself, about to go into a hurricane. And to be honest, it's quite terrifying, you know what I mean? Because not terrifying in the sense that we're afraid of what's gonna happen, but in the sense that you don't know what's gonna happen. That's the thing, you don't know what's gonna happen. There's many reports and all that, but most people don't know what's gonna happen, and that's the crazy part. Okay, here goes the rain. It always starts somewhere, eh? Here we go. Here we go. We're in full storm mode right now. We're in full storm mode. We're experiencing a high wind. I'm in St. Catherine. We're experiencing very high wind right now. There's rain, but it's not that heavy yet. I say yet because we're expecting record amount of rain. That hasn't happened yet. I'm gonna try and keep it short, keep it posted going. Okay, let's check outside. And right now, you see I have I'd say about, not about, I'd say almost half an inch of water or getting some water in. I mean, it's blowing from this direction and kind of push out, so that's what we're seeing right now. There's some heavy, I say notably heavy wind going in. This is what it looks like. The gate, and they are stuck because the gate, there's no power, the generator just blew out and they're stuck right now. There used to be mountains up here, now they're you barely can see it. And even though water comes in, all I have to do is just climb up on this and reach my destination, which is up there. That's where there's some safety room in case. So for anyone that's watching, if you can't find me, this is one of the places I'll be. Cool. But in case I need to go out. Just gonna ride out the storm on this boat if we need to. Contingency plan. Get your contingency plan right. Seems as though the effect is here. And this tree here, I just feel like at some point we're gonna see a break in that. We don't know yet. It's getting wild, man. It's getting wild. Right now we're in storm watch in Jamaica. Hurricane Melissa. She's bearing down on the country. I think it's about that time now, so not 100% sure, but we're just trying to get as much seen as possible for you guys, so you guys can understand what it's like to be inside of a hurricane. And hope you guys enjoy it. Hope you guys stick tuned. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys are locked in. Thank you very much for all your comments, your kind comments, your kind words. Appreciate it. This plant here behind me here. Yeah, they're telling a different story, yeah. So Hurricane Melissa is now a Category 5, pushing wind speed at 180 miles an hour. I mean, I don't even know what is 180 miles an hour even driving. It's touching down. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh my. Oh. This is scary, right? Yeah, we're definitely getting it wild. It's getting wild, bro. Wild, I tell you. Nothing more. Whoa. Is he putting all garbage in there now? Like, whoa. It's getting wild. Continuously kind of changing direction. I see the winds is kind of changing a lot of directions right now. It doesn't really stay like a consistent. You can't even see nothing right now. So that is one mad hurricane. Wow. So I've noticed that we started to have some water coming in. So I'm gonna have to try and get that sorted out. That's what's up. It's what's causing it to growing right now. So what I'm gonna do is get a couple of towels and then put them here for them to just absorb it as much as possible. Some leak. We have some water coming in from around there, so we gotta dry it up. Right there, so it doesn't come in anymore. Like, hopefully just absorb as much as possible. So hopefully that can help with some of that. Like this, and stuck it in the door. That's what we're gonna have to do. We're gonna have to learn. I haven't experienced a storm in a while, so for me, I would have to learn and kind of grow in the job. So that's what I'm doing right now. Okay, so we're taking on some water. So I just stuck some plastic between the door here because it was coming in from here, because it was just beating on the side. And if you listen, that's what's up. So that, hopefully that helps. As you can hear, I put a blanket there as well, so hopefully the blanket can kind of helps to kind of help. Kind of weird. One, because we haven't been in this situation where we have no other way to contact outside. I haven't feel it in a while, you know, and it's kind of weird, but I'm adjusting little by little. It is miserable out there. Just listen. You're trying to call, there's no signal. This is how I have to be doing my phone because I have no connection. The internet, everything is wiped out. All the connection. So I'm trying to keep it very high. The time where we have to kind of get back up together and clean up, you know. But it's going to be a long way from it. It is completely dark here. We have candle going, but we gotta get some food going. We gotta get some food going because, you know, in a storm you don't want to be hungry, and that's something. We got this bread here and it's going downhill. So I gotta have to make some food because hunger stuff. Oh, we have no water. We have a tank, but I don't understand why it's not bringing any water in here. So I have to rectify that later on. But I'm gonna make some macaroni. So we're just gonna be cooking some macaroni. I have some chips, some meat. And we'll just just need this to kind of. Okay, so we gotta take our towel now and strain it out. Yeah, and this is the amount of water I was trying to find. Spaghetti. And we got some curry chicken. Remember, you gotta prep. Easy. Once you prep, you see how easy that was? That's because I prepped. Supper time. A little bit of salt in my macaroni. It's kind of hard to see. But yeah, we're doing good. I'm doing good. You know, getting some food in. That's important. I had some contact with my family. which is important. I'm surviving. You know, these are events that kind of make you see how important family is. They kind of make you, but I'm surviving. I'm eating, which is important, and the storm is still here, but we're still eating. We're good.
I just want to say it has been one long period. You know, most of the island is severely damaged, I must say, honestly, and the area that got the most hit, I just want to say, man, now is the time that we probably gonna have to come together as a community, as a team, and see how best we can rally together. And you know, because everyone needs the help now in Jamaica, no more than ever.